As a social work student, I should be able to intercommunicate with people of different cultures. The Netherlands is a great example of an intercultural country. It is home for many migrants and refugees, and there are many differences in culture in cities and provinces. At the Academy of Social Studies of Hanze University in Groningen, internationalization and interculturalization are a very important part of the study social work. Throughout the 4-year program, I learned to get to know myself, my culture, culturalization and socialization. Groningen and the university brought me in contact with people from different cultures and made it possible for me to go on a quick exchange abroad. I chose to do an internship and minor abroad. Thanks to the International-Oriented Academy of Social Studies, I am able to work intercultural and international.